Good day, everyone. My name is Comfort Okorie, and we are here with Big Vision in partnership with Overite. So now I'll be asking the secretary a few questions, which you'll be answering. What is your name?
Okay, my name is Charles Irele.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Charles. And I'm going to ask you a question.
Okay.
What is the main vision behind organizing this street cleaning or recycling program? What is your vision?
Okay, we want to ensure that the market is tidy.
Okay.
We also want to ensure that because a tidy environment is very good for everybody.
Okay.
To avoid
illnesses
and incurring certain diseases within the environment. So, yeah, we appreciate the efforts of the organizers for this particular project.
Okay, thank you so much. So I'm going to ask you, how often does your group plan or carry out these activities?
This present one or our internal exercise.
Activities to help the environment.
To clean up the environment.
Yes.
Every Thursday, the market is closed between the hours of 6 a.m. till 10 a.m.
Okay.
To enable shop owners to clean the environment.
Okay.
And every Thursday, you also see our task force going around to enforce this particular exercise. You understand?
Yeah.
And we are LOMA compliant. This entire market pays out sum of 450,000 to LOMA every month to evacuate our waste.
Wow.
So that's to show you that we are LOMA compliant, environmental friendly. We don't joke with such exercise and such things.
Oh, that's very great to hear, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So now, what challenges do you face when coordinating such projects?
The challenges we normally face is because we are thinking that in all this, the government will come to our rescue and to assist us. Because, for instance, when it rains heavily here, even when it rains heavily or not, you cannot access this road up to the express. You will roll your trousers and your sleeves up to your knee because of a lot of waste that comes from the express and empty inside the gutters. So it makes this place to be overflooded. So it puts us in very severe and stringent challenges. So that's why in most of our efforts we've pleaded to government to come to our rescue and assistance. I thank God the councillor representing Ward Hesh is here. Possibly he will also help in carrying our message to the local government and up to the state level to see whether government will come to our aid and assistance. We are taxpayers here. We are very diligent citizens in this place, so we need government assistance to enable us and assist us to carry. And you know, when it rains, because of the flood, it continues to wash out the roads and take the waste inside the gutters. You understand? Trinity spends average of 2 to 3 million naira trying to fill potholes every other year, and amidst that, we also are expected to pay government revenue of storage fees and other revenues. You understand? So those are the challenges we are facing here.
Oh, government, please, if you can hear this, we need your aid.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
So how does your organization plan to handle the waste collected during this exercise?
Like I told you, we are LOMA compliant. Every Thursday, you see LOMA vehicle coming to evacuate our waste. So the debris and the waste collected will also be secured for LOMA to come and pick them up. Like I told you, Sampalog, the LOMA contractor, comes here to take waste every Thursday at the rate of 450,000 naira monthly. You understand? So you see, we have not failed or avoided in that particular effort.
Yeah, very true. Very true. So now, how do you think recycling can contribute to the local economy?
Yeah, definitely. These days, you find out that everything you remove from your household, from your environment, is so important. So if recycled, it will also revolve, it will generate revenue,
Yeah.
for the society,
Community,
for the
yeah.
community, and is encouraged.
Yeah.
So that's why what they are doing today is commendable. So, and I wish other communities will key into this particular exercise to ensure that we better our lives within the society.
Yes, really. Okay, now please one last question.
Okay.
And I was asking, what support do you need from the government, NGOs, or individuals to achieve it? What kind of support, if you're supposed to ask them?
Whether it's coming from NGO, it's coming from the government, we need our road to be tidied. We need our gutters to be cleaned. Then government should also carry empowerment programs like this, support NGOs, so that they will do the better thing to improve the society.
Yes.
Because I know very well that not everything the government will do for us. But when you see good-spirited organizations, government should assist them, empower them to do the more.
Yeah.
Because government will not be everywhere at every other time.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I mean, this is a very, very insightful topic, and we are grateful for this kind of program and organization. Thank you so much, Secretary, for answering our questions.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye.